Hello, IK here. Welcome to React Redux Add New Post. Add post form. We can set concretely as a named component. Add post form. Here is a visible. I try in this video would be more in focus. And you can download this application and see all the environment, all context. On save post click. Here is a React Redux and mock server, remote mock server data. And in video before was with only React and mock server. React and mock server. Here is React Redux and mock server. It means that global state post not changed locally on the post list, but changed globally in Redux. Changed globally in Redux. Plus, Redux must know what happened with the data during asynchronous process. And because of that, instead of one action creator, we have two action creator. But start from the beginning. Okay, I want focused on handler, event handler. When we on-click on event on-click on save button of add post form, it call handler, event handler. It call event handler on save post click. This on save post click, and that function, it is asynchronous function, asynchronous arrow function. There is a logical if can save. It is important for security that nobody click during waiting, during pending. Nobody click on the button of save for of add post form. Because of that, in construction try catch, at first we have set add post request status to pending. In video before we have is loading true and false. Here we have pending and idle. It is pardon. It is the same. It is flags, and don't confuse you. And at first we blocked possibility to click button during pending time, during asynchronous process. And because you can here can save must be for to see button, to have permission to click button, must be title, exist content, and add request status must be idle. And because of that, first we use set add request status and change to pending. It was idle until now. And await, asynchronous await, it is a keyword because of what we can write code like it is synchronized without callbacks, etc. Like, and dispatch we await this process. Dispatch add a new post title content. Again, title content. We send in request. It is visible in add new post. We request title and content. Mock server update it with and create ID, and the response data ID title content. And that response data go to, it is fulfilled, it go to Redux. But in yesterday video, it go back to set state. Set state, and set state is manager. But now is Redux manager, and that fulfilled that go in Redux. And add the new post here is source to action creator. It is action creator of action creator. It is thank function. Action pending type and action fulfilled if all is okay. And in fulfilled, title and content disposed coming back, ID title and content coming back in response data. And that response data is action payload and changes existing post. How immutable way changes copy of existing actual post, push a new post. Okay, I don't look at in etc post slice because I would go a lot of in wide. I want to be focused in this video, more focused, because it is better for your memory, and it is better when you write your diagram, you write only save post button and on click event, call this on save post clicked function, call this function, and set add request status to pending, await, dispatch, add new post function, dispatch thank, and the thank go out from would be self-maintainable, self in action without go out from this parenthesis, and there is a open dispatch method of store, and add new post, send, dispatch, pending type action, and after that, if all is okay, fulfilled type action. And after fulfilled type action, it go to Redux, immutable way, a copy of actual post, push new post, we have a new actual post. And after that, we can set title. It is input HTML element to empty and set content to empty, set error to null because there is no error. If there is error, would be here visible. And you must see difference between this error. It is try to catch. Take care only about code between them in that construction and in this code. But pending type, fulfill type, or rejected type coming coming if would be rejected, if would be some error in asynchronous process, it would be unwrap. This function coming with Redux toolkit. That function name said unwrap. What unwrap? Unwrap in object promise, unwrap what coming, reject or fulfilled. Unwrap, and here is interesting, only rejected. And unwrap take that rejected, and in the add post form, what is now on the screen, we will see this error saving the post. Error saving the post. It means we will see error saving set error. Yes, it is here is set error saving the post. But don't concentrate now. I can again in some video in detail explain errors, unwrap function and error, and reject failed. And what we see on the AddPostForm, what we see on the post list. Okay, but now we concentrate on submit button. Submit button call this function on say the post clicked, set add request pending, dispatch. This is important. Dispatch and await. In this moment, we await because if all is okay, we can set title and set content to and set error to null. But if we have some error in this part, in this asynchron process, we will not set title to empty. We will see our typing in title and content. Okay, here is add a new post. It is a tongue function, and the tongue function is self-content. Here is a parameter of dispatch, but it is only dispatched. But after this, tongue call would be created, but by create asynchron tongue. And that function, create asynchron tongue, is a self-contained function would have all asynchron request, response, and dispatch. There is an open dispatch method, dispatch action type pending, and after that, action type fulfilled. But again, I said in video yesterday, in application without Redux, we have a set user state is manager, local manager, and post is local variable, post variable post. But here, when we have Redux post, array post is global state in Redux, in reducer. And all changes happened there in store, Redux store, in reducer. And the post list is connected to that value by use selector function. And it is that circle. Okay. After that, set title, set content, set error. For this video, I think it's enough. It is focus on this. You can download this application. It is Tank1 application. Would be address in this below of video. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.